This is Mick Cotton's door repair service. It's always something. It's always something. On Monday, I had to replace the toilet valve, whatever it was, and I found all this stuff inside there. Now, we've been locked in our house for a couple days. We can't get out. So I had to finally fix it. I had to replace a doorknob. We couldn't get out. It broke. It just was so old. I mean, this is like 20 years old. I had to tear the whole thing apart to get it off. Look what I did. This is the nice little cover that goes over there. But I had to just rip it apart with my screwdriver. Because this thing broke. It's so old. You know, it was stuck like that. And you couldn't open the door. And Laura was giving me a bunch of grief. I had to fix it or buy a new door. And then I found all my tools, and the doggies ate the tools. Look at this. They're just eating my knives, the plastic, anything plastic. It's Sergeant Pepper does all this. Not Levy. Oh, look, chicken. Chicken hawk. I just made chicken. So it took me all these tools. I got Phillips, got little tiny flathead, another Phillips. Oh, my camera's not working. Look at that. Come on. Focus. And then flathead. Then I got this little, and my screw gun from work. I got my paddle bit. They call it a spur bit, or we call it paddle bit. I got the 1 inch. And you just take it out. You just do that and put in your little drill bits or your other bits. You know, it's so easy. And I've got socket sets and all kind of sockets for this. This is what I use at work. It's always on my hip, just like a gun. It's a screw gun. But this I got all my paddle bits. This really saved me because the new one didn't fit. So this is the new one. Before, we never had a lock. It was just a doorknob with no lock on it. All we had was the deadbolt. So we'd come home and this was just turn all the time in the deadbolt. Now we got a key for this and this. So look, it works good. Got brand new. I had to make it fit. I had to drill and screw. So now we can close this. And I can lock this. And open this. Open this. And look. We were stuck. It was going, I had to pull and I hit my head like this. Ow. Perfect. I fixed it. Laura's so happy. I'll throw all this stuff in the trash. Mick Cotton's barbecue, door repair service. I used to hang doors and change locks and do all that stuff in the theater, in television shows all the time for years. All right. See you guys later. Peace, love, and aloha. If you need a door hung or new locks, don't call me. I got to do it all the time.